Hi, my name is Kiah, and I'm a fourth-year co-op student in environmental science. This year, I did my co-op at Hope Blooms. So I work at Hope Blooms as a program coordinator. Hope Blooms is basically a social enterprise that focuses on issues like poverty, food security, and social inclusion as well as education. So specifically, I run education programs that engage young people in environmental issues and focus on building science and tech skills related to the environment, and also just ultimately trying to build connections to nature and the land with young people in the community. So I think my work relates to change in two ways. First, something I've learned at Hope Blooms is that empowering and strengthening our communities is key to a sustainable future. So it's been incredible to see what a community can do when everyone comes together and uplifts one another. And I think that's just a really important part of climate action, because all these issues like food insecurity, poverty, education, they all relate to sustainability in the end. So it's really important to just work on meeting our community's needs, and then from there, building a more environmentally friendly, sustainable, prosperous future. To speak more specifically to what my role is, I think that education is also just super important in climate action, because we really need to work on building those relationships to nature and the land at a young age, so that people can feel empathy towards the environment, and then from there really work to create change and action for the future. Inclusion is a huge part of why I feel my work is important. I just think our conversations around climate change tend to leave out a lot of communities, and really the more diverse worldviews that we get involved in this conversation, the more long-term impact and genuine impact we can create on climate change. So I feel that the work that I do is intended to be inclusive, it's free, and it's rooted in a primarily BIPOC community in North End Halifax. And so this commitment to inclusivity and empowering young people specifically to get involved in climate change is what inspires me to continue working to make change at Hope Blooms.